Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are at the antique store. I just pulled up and I see so many beautiful pieces already, but nothing that I would need for the nursery, but just like so many gorgeous things that I could use in like a future house, but that's not what we're here for today. Today we are going shopping for the baby's nursery. There's so many things that I'm looking for in particular. So I'm kind of looking for some sort of like bedside table, like a little side table that I could put next to the rocking chair, so when I'm nursing, like I can easily have, somewhere to put stuff. I'm looking for maybe like an old wooden plane. I think that'd be really fun to hang from the ceiling. I'm looking for maybe little wooden objects that I can make a mobile, I don't know how to say that, out of, and maybe some things for the wall that could just be like fun and unique for his nursery. And if I could find also like an old wooden rocking horse, I think that would be so beautiful to have in there. So I have quite the list of things. I'm not sure if I'm gonna find any of it, but it looks really nice outside so far. Like everything that they have, they're under new ownership, so it should be interesting. But let's go inside and see if we can find any of this stuff. Wow, I wonder if this whole building is filled. Oh my gosh. He said there's 4 floors. Wow. Is that like a coffin?
That's the money casket.
Ew. Is that one of those fireplace things? Like, but a giant one? This is overwhelming. So one day, probably like a year ago or so, I was watching Cheap Old Houses on HGTV, and they showed this shop and it just looked so cool. And so we decided to go visit this shop. This was on my birthday, so this was like over a month ago. But it was so amazing. They literally have everything you need a full day here, which we did not have, but it was just mind-blowing at all of the things that they had. Alright, so this is just outside. I thought this is so cute. I'm not sure that I love like the taxi kind of thing, but I think this is really fun and could be adorable in the nursery. It is $275. Let's see what else. This chair is really pretty. This thing is so interesting. See a lot of good stuff so far. All right, let's go inside though, because I feel like they're gonna have some good stuff. I cannot believe this weekend is already Christmas. It is so crazy. But I thought this was actually really cool because it reminded me of a mobile. Again, I don't know why. I don't know how to say it. I think everyone just has different accents when they say it, maybe. I have no idea. But I thought that would be really cool, just like inspo to kind of create my own. But they had a lot of great things at the shop on this day, and a lot of the prices were also really great. I found this train set, and I actually had one on our registry, but I really loved that this one was old and wooden and antique, and I just thought that it would look so cute in his room, and also the price on it was amazing. If any of you guys collect vintage Pyrex, let me know which print you have. I have a ton of the gooseberry stuff. I think it is so beautiful. I really would love to get some of the blue snowflake ones. I think those are also so cute, especially for the holiday season. I loved this room because it felt very like little boy to me. And we did say that when he is probably like 1.5 or 2 or so, we want to do a Toy Story theme room. So like make it like Woody and cowboy themed. So I think that those things right there were just right up the alley for that. But I did find some other like vintage baby items that I thought were also really cute. I found a couple of these baby scales, which I thought were so adorable. If our nursery was bigger, maybe this would be fun to have as a decoration. Definitely not for that price. I think it was like close to $200, but I think someone could probably make something really fun from it. Those plates I thought were really cute to hang up on the wall. I did find a bunch of them on Etsy, so I might come back to those. And then I just love these antique cars. So next I stumbled across this antique rocking horse, which is, like I said, something I was looking for. It was too expensive and it had a hair tail. I feel like the horses, there's a very fine line between them looking like really scary and just really beautiful, and for some reason the hair tail is one of the things that just freaks me out a little bit. But let me show you guys what I got. So I got the wood train. I think this was such a steal for $18 and so beautiful. And then I did find a wooden rocking horse. I found this on Facebook Marketplace for $50. And I am planning on stripping this, which I know is probably not what some of you guys want to hear, and I'm sure some people are going to be annoyed at it, and I totally get it. I've watched videos before of people stripping things or painting things, and I'm like, no, why are you doing that? But that was my plan all along with whatever rocking horse I got. I wanted to completely strip it and just have it be natural wood, or have it be mainly wood and maybe just like, you know, more like rustic looking, so there can be a little bit of paint on it. But I just think this horse is terrifying looking as it is like painted. It's definitely beautiful, but I keep taking the head and I'll like creep up on Connor with it. And I definitely know my nephew, who is 1.5, he would be so terrified of it. Even my nieces probably would. And I think that if it's just that natural wood color, it would just look so beautiful and feel more like a, I don't know, just more like a beautiful piece rather than an antique sitting in the nursery. So I want to strip it just like I did to this piece of furniture, just so it's natural wood. And yeah, I will definitely make a video on that. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys all have an amazing Christmas weekend. I will talk to you next time. Bye.